Côte d'Ivoire, commonly known as Ivory Coast, is a country located in West Africa, known for its vibrant culture, diverse landscapes, and significant economic potential. Here's an in-depth look at various aspects of Ivory Coast. Geography. Ivory Coast is bordered by Liberia and Guinea to the west, Mali and Burkina Faso to the north, Ghana to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. The country features diverse landscapes, including lush tropical forests in the south, savannahs in the north, and the fertile plains of the Ivory Coast Plateau in the central region. The country's economic capital, Abidjan, is located along the southern coast. History. Ivory Coast was inhabited by various indigenous peoples before becoming part of several powerful West African empires, including the Mali Empire. European contact began in the 15th century with the arrival of Portuguese traders. French colonization began in the late 19th century, and Ivory Coast became a French colony known as French West Africa. It gained independence in 1960 under Félix Houphouët-Boigny, who ruled the country until his death in 1993. Politics. Ivory Coast is a republic with a strong presidency. Following independence, the country experienced decades of political stability under the leadership of Félix Houphouët-Boigny. However, since the 1990s, Ivory Coast has faced periods of political instability, including a civil war from 2002 to 2007 that divided the country into a rebel-held north and a government-controlled south. Since then, the country has made significant progress toward stability, including successful democratic elections. Economy. Ivory Coast has one of the most developed economies in West Africa, driven primarily by agriculture, particularly the production of cocoa, which is the country's main export. Other important sectors include mining, gold, diamonds, oil and gas, and manufacturing. The government has implemented policies aimed at diversifying the economy and attracting foreign investment, leading to sustained economic growth in recent years. Culture. Ivorian culture is diverse and vibrant, reflecting the country's multicultural society. The population consists of many ethnic groups, each with its own traditions, languages, and customs. Music and dance play a central role in Ivorian culture, with genres such as zouglo, coupé décalé, and traditional Ivorian music gaining popularity both domestically and internationally. The country also has a rich tradition of art, including mask-making and sculpture. Cuisine. Ivorian cuisine is known for its rich flavors and diverse ingredients. Staples include rice, cassava, yams, and plantains, often accompanied by sauces made from tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers. Popular dishes include kejenou, a spicy stew, atike, fermented cassava couscous, and aloko, fried plantains. Challenges. Despite its economic progress, Ivory Coast faces several challenges, including poverty, unemployment, and unequal distribution of wealth. The country also grapples with issues such as deforestation, environmental degradation, and inadequate infrastructure, particularly in rural areas. Tourism. Ivory Coast has significant tourism potential, with attractions ranging from pristine beaches along the Atlantic coast to national parks and cultural festivals. Tourists can explore the historic colonial architecture of cities like Grand Bassam, visit nature reserves such as Tai National Park, or experience traditional Ivorian music and dance at cultural events. Ivory Coast continues to play a significant role in West Africa, both economically and culturally. Despite its challenges, the country's rich heritage and natural beauty make it an important destination for travelers and a key player in the region's development.